Guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show how to create a channel in YouTube. First of all, you need to open your Google Chrome web browser or any other browser you prefer. And after that, open the YouTube app. Over here, we could see we just landed to the official homepage of the YouTube. And just on the left corner, we can see a lot of options. What you have to do is scroll a bit and click on the settings. After that, over here, we could see the your YouTube channel option. Click in this option that says create a channel. This is it. You can also select the picture which you prefer. And after that, make sure you type down the name, handle, and click in this option that says create a channel. And this is it. Your channel is being created. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for upcoming uploads.